Hello viewers, welcome to our channel bhuribhojbongfoodies. My name is Muskan. So today I am going to cook a very simple and tasty Chinese veg dish. It's veg Schezwan fried rice and veg Manchurian balls. Firstly, we'll cook Manchurian balls. So let's check the ingredients. For Manchurian balls, we need grated carrots, grated cabbage, finely chopped capsicum, and finely chopped beans. We'll mix all the ingredients together. We need to mix all the ingredients together nicely and add 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, pinch of turmeric powder, 1 pinch of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, and a pinch of garam masala powder. Salt according to taste. 1 tablespoon oil. We'll mix all the ingredients together and make a tough dough. We'll make small Manchurian balls. Then heat the oil in the pan, add all Manchurian balls, and we need to fry all the balls. We'll shallow fry the balls. Now we'll add chopped garlic, finely chopped ginger, and saute it. You need to saute it very nicely to get the garlic flavor. Then add finely chopped onions, chopped capsicum, we'll stir a bit. Then add salt according to taste. 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Then again we need to mix this. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and tomato ketchup according to taste. There is no measurement for tomato ketchup. We need to give a nice stir on a high flame. We need to mix it very nicely. Then we'll add cornstarch water. And mix it on a high flame to give a nice boil to it. Then we'll add Manchurian balls. And cover the ball with the gravy. We need to cover all the ball with the gravy. Mix it very well in the gravy. So here our Manchurian balls are ready. Now we will cook our second dish, Schezwan fried rice. For that we need to add oil in a pan and heat up the oil on a high flame. Then we'll add chopped carrots and chopped onions to it and give it a nice stir. Once the carrot and onion get settled down, then we'll add chopped beans to it and we'll shallow fry all the ingredients. Now we'll shallow fry all the ingredients. Then add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and tomato ketchup according to taste. I like ketchup, so I'm adding lots of ketchup. And the hero of dish, Schezwan sauce. It's a bit spicy sauce, so again you can add according to your taste. Salt according to taste. Then we'll give a nice stir. You need to mix all the veggies and sauce together and add the rice, steamed rice. Again we need to give a nice stir. Nice stir to it. Need to give a nice stir.